Don't they look delicious, y'all? Look at that. Don't that look amazing? All you had to do was get some biscuits and poke a hole in it. Just get a biscuit and poke a hole in it. Fry it. Look how beautiful it is. This is a masterpiece, y'all. I never thought you made this out of biscuits, y'all. They think you've been in there making dough all night. Nah, bro. I went and got some biscuits from the store. Hi, y'all. Welcome to CHELL'S Kitchen. I'm back at y'all with another great video. Get in here. Get in here. Y'all, I was about to make some homemade donuts, and I thought I'd share it with y'all. You only need 3 ingredients to make homemade donuts, y'all, and let's get to it. So in this, you need a pot, of course. In this pot, I got my oil, and I got this turned on a high heat. You will need some biscuits. I got the grins. I had already opened it, y'all. I was about to make donuts, and I thought, let me shoot this for my people. So that's why it's open. But yeah, I just got some grand biscuits. And then you need vegetable oil. I already put the oil in the pot, though. And you will need some powdered sugar, y'all. So you will need some biscuits. You can use any biscuits you like. You will need vegetable oil, and you will need powdered sugar, and of course, a pot to cook it in. All right, y'all. So I already got my grease on. I just put that in the skillet. I got it on a high. While that's getting hot, we're going to prep our donuts. And you're just going to take the donuts, and you kind of just want to poke a hole. Now, if you got an instrument or something to poke the hole for you, then great. But we're just going to do it just like this, y'all. Boom. And you want to keep doing this until you are completely done. Just poking a little hole and just doing it just like that, y'all. This is what you want. You just want to keep doing that. If you like, again, you can use any biscuits you like. Those little cheap biscuits, that's like, what, 60 cents, $1. Those donuts does well with this recipe as well. So you can use any donuts you like, biscuits you like. I don't recommend you getting like the flaky layer biscuits because you're making donuts. You don't want your donuts to be flaky layers, do you? So y'all just get a regular butter biscuit or just a regular home style biscuit and do it just like that, y'all. This is a great recipe, y'all. This is so easy to make, so fast to make. This is a great treat, a great snack. And yeah, the kids will love it. You will love it. You know what it really remind me of, y'all? With what I'm about to make, y'all, they remind me of a funnel cake. Y'all know when y'all go like to the amusement parks or the fairs and those long lines for the funnel cake? Well, this is the closest you're going to get to a funnel cake without leaving your house. So, yeah, take that in. So, yeah, this is all we're doing, y'all. You just get a biscuit. You want to poke a hole in it. You can do it with your fingers, or if you got an instrument to poke that perfect hole in there, use it. But, yeah, and this is all you're doing. Tastes just like a funnel cake, y'all. Just like one. All right, y'all, so this is my last one. All right. So, y'all, this is what my donuts look like afterwards. I keep saying donuts. My biscuits look like afterwards. Y'all, we're going to let our grease get a little bit hotter. And when I come back, we'll be dropping them in the grease. And, yeah, you're going to make homemade powdered donuts. CHELL'S way. Yummy. This is what you want. All right, y'all. So I think our grease is just about hot enough. You just want to drop. You want to just drop these in the grease just like that, y'all. And I'm going to do 4 at a time. You don't want to overcrowd it. I think 4 is good. And you're just going to let these fry. You let them cook for about 2 to 3 minutes on each side. Flip it, and it's done. Give it a flip. Look at that, y'all. This is what you want. Nice, golden, fluffy. It's what you want. Move them around. Flip them again. Cook to your discretion. I'm going to flip mine again. Don't they look delicious, y'all? Look at that. Don't that look amazing? All you had to do is get some biscuits and poke a hole in it. Just get a biscuit and poke a hole in it. Fry it. Look how beautiful it is. This is a masterpiece, y'all. I never thought you made this out of biscuits, y'all. They think you've been in there making dough all night. Nah, bro. I went and got some biscuits from the store. So I'm going to go ahead and pull them out, y'all. And this is how you want it to look when you're pulling them out. Just like that, y'all. Beautiful. And then, y'all, we're going to go down with the other 4. Like that. And the thing to keep in mind, y'all, when y'all cooking these biscuits is you might have to adjust your temperature from time to time because the grease is getting hotter and hotter. And if you're making a lot of these, I'm just making 4, but if you're going to go all out and make it for the whole family, you're going to make a lot of them, make sure to vary your temperature because the grease is getting hotter and hotter and hotter. So you might have to flip them sooner or take them out sooner. So just keep that in mind because it's nothing but dough, so it cooks really fast. Oh, look at that, y'all. Look at that. This is what you want. Beautiful. I hear that? One more time. Careful, don't burn yourself. Oh, there you have it. Homemade donuts. See, look at that, y'all. Quick, fast, easy, y'all. I ain't gonna never do nothing too complicated for y'all. That's the purpose of this channel. Is for everything to be quick, fast, and simple, y'all. I want fast and simple recipes. I don't want no difficult. So yeah, that's my job, is to come with great recipes. It doesn't require a lot, you know. I'm trying to be in the kitchen all night, all day. Not me. All right, that's what you want. All right, y'all. Our donuts are all done. This is the finished product. They look delicious. Now, the last thing we need to do, y'all, and we'll be all done, was 2 more things we need to do. We need to put some powdered sugar on them, and we need to taste them. So, all right, so then you just get your powdered sugar, y'all. This is why I say it reminds me of a funnel cake, y'all. Y'all see that? It reminds me of a funnel cake. This is what you want. So what I'm going to do is take them and put them on my plate, y'all, so I can get great pictures. Put some more powdered sugar on there. Waste not, want not, y'all. Use that powdered sugar. I made a mess, but it's okay. Don't look at the mess I made, y'all. Look at the donuts. That's what the focus is. The donuts, not my mess. Y'all, and there you have it. Homemade powdered sugar donuts. Tastes just like a funnel cake. The closest to a funnel cake you'll ever get from cooking it at home. Look at this. Beautiful. What you want. Hey y'all, I want to thank y'all so much for tuning in today. Thank you so much for supporting CHELL'S channel. Thank you for all the likes, the comments, the subscribers. I love y'all so much. Thank you so much for tuning in, and I'll be back with another great video. Have a great day. All right, y'all, I got a professional taster to taste these donuts, y'all. I'm telling you, your kids will love them. All right.